Hi all, welcome to PNV Technical HUB. So today we are going to discuss about one of the most important interview question, which comes under SQL Server. I faced one question that there is to be displayed one gift cards information, and the table structure looks like this. It has a gift card ID, GC code, GC value. Means gift card code and gift card value will be there. So idea behind this information is gift card code should be unique. So it should not be duplicate gift cards which are there in the system. So to avoid this type of scenario, their need is GC001, it is 1. And if you observe here, GC002 was available 2 times. So, but in order to make it as a distinct, so they want to be managed GC002 and other is GC002 underscore 1. So why? Because to manage this in a distinct way, they will be use this process. GC002 is 1 and GC002 underscore 1 is there. And we have a GC004, 3 times it was repeated. And they need first one as it is, second one underscore 1, third one underscore 2. Likewise, they want to be display the unique gift cards to the end user. This is what their idea. So in order to achieve this problem, so first we will be consider the table structure. Then after, we will understand which concept would help us to solve this problem. So now let me create a table. Create table tbl underscore. So which I can be mentioned it as 2023. And I can mention it as a interview series. So like IQ1. So let me take it as an interview question 1 for 2023. Okay, now I would like to go with gift card ID, and it is an integer, and I can make it as an identity column. And I would like to give the next column GC code. I'll mention it as a varchar of 20. Then GC value, I can mention it as a decimal. I can 18,3. So this is how I have created the table structure. Now I am trying to select this table structure. Now let us fill this data into this table. Insert into table name. Since identity column, we no need to pass any value. It would be automatically incremented. So I am just using values. So here GC code is there. So I would like to go with GC 001 200. So we can go with this. We'll add the multiple values, which is 002, and the value is here 100, and 004. GC 004, and again this is 300, and GC 004, and this is 10. GC 006, and it is 500. And the other is 007, which is 1000. I have inserted, and if you observe here, total 8 rows are there. So I also inserted the 8 rows here. So now let us come to the problem statement. Now we need a distinct values here, and GC001 and GC002, and next one should be underscore 1. If you recollect the concepts of SQL Server, you might know that we have a concept called row number, right? We have a window functions there in which we know about row number, rank, dense rank, entire. These are the different window functions which are there in the SQL Server. So under row number function, row number is a predefined function. So row number help us to generate the rows. And by using the row number, we can also partition the data on the basis of the column. Then on the basis of the partition, we will also go with generation of the row number, right? See, if I go with this process, GC002, and it becomes 1, it becomes 2. Like this is the 1 and this is the 2. In case of 1, we no need to do anything. So I'll go with this GC002. In case of 1, so like 2, I'll make it as a 2 minus 1, and I will append this data with the row number. That's how this problem can be achieved by using case statement, by using row number. Then we also use a concatenation of your GC code along with your row number. If you do the concatenation along with this, your row number and GC code, and automatically your output can be achievable. So now let me show you how this can be done. First, in a short way, I will generate a row number for you to understand this one. Row underscore number, this is a function. So I would like to partition my data. Like partition is optional in the row number. If you want to just display your row number, then partition is not required. But I need to generate my row number on the basis of the gift card code. That's the reason I'm just taking GC code. And here order by class is mandatorily required. So I'll go with gift card ID. On the basis of the gift card ID, I'm just partitioning my data. So now if you check this one, GC001, you have the row number 1. GC002, you have 1. For GC002, you have another, incremented value for this one, because these are two good category. 1, 2 is there, and 4 it is 1, and 4 and 2 is there, and 4, 3 is there. So now my problem is, if it is 1, we can simply display GC004. See here they displayed like this, right? If it's second, 2 minus 1, I can minus that 1, and I will append this value. So likewise, I'll frame my logic. So now let me take one thing, that is nothing but case. We'll do in simple way. So we'll take this as a case when if it is 1, then what we can do? So generally, if it is 1, we can display the as it is gift code. So that is nothing but gift code. Else, then what we'll do is, we'll append this gift code plus concatenate, and underscore is there, right? Then whatever the row number that it is generated, right? First will be convert into integer, right? Cast as int, then after cast int, then after I would like to do minus, because for first one nothing is there, for second one 2 minus 1, 1 we have to be present. Okay, so this is how I have minus. So we cannot, so since this is an integer, we cannot concatenate your string and your string with integer. So for that reason, I will do the cast for string itself, so that everything will be in a string format as varchar. In SQL, string is nothing but your varchar only, right? So I'll convert this one. And now if you see this, when you work with the case, so this is the case when, and your first statement, and then this is nothing but your else statement, and finally you have to end your case with end itself, right? End is a keyword to end your case. Then I'm just aligning. If this is true, then this will be printed. Else, this will be printed. So then we have to give the alias name for your column. I can say that gift card code. Okay. So now I just execute this one. You can see that GC001, GC002, GC002 underscore 1, 4 underscore 1 underscore 2. So likewise, so since these are unique, GC006, GC007. In this way, you will get your desired output based upon this, window function, that is with your row number. This is how you have to be frame your logic, and first analyze the problem statement and you can apply the things. So how the output is there and what are the different concepts which are there to simulate this problem statement. That's how you have to think. Okay, thanks for watching this video. So if you have any queries on this, or if you want to know any other questions, so or if you want to be address anything from your end, you can do a comment, and please subscribe and share this channel. Thank you.